Can e-commerce be profitable? I'm going to show you how to make your e-commerce store profitable in this video. Let's go. Hey guys, Sam here from keycommerce.com, and today I'm answering this big and common question. Can e-commerce be profitable? People also ask, can importing products be profitable? Can dropshipping be profitable? Can print on demand be profitable? Can selling your own product be profitable? I'll answer all of them in one go. Yes, they can all be profitable, but it's down to the numbers. Okay, what do I mean by this? You really can just make your e-commerce store always profitable by keeping a close eye on the finances and making them work. Okay, so what do I mean here? Well, it's really simple. Make sure that your sales are high enough and your expenses are low enough so that you're always making a profit. Let me break this down a bit more. Your profit is calculated with this formula. Total sales minus cost of goods sold minus expenses equals net profit. So first you have total sales. This is the total sales, the orders, the value of those sales that you generate within a period. You have the cost of goods sold. That is how much you actually paid your suppliers for your products. Then you have your expenses. These are the other costs that you have to keep your business running. This is stuff like your Shopify subscription, any app subscriptions you pay for your e-com store, stuff like your ad spend for the traffic on Google and Facebook. So this is so simple, but really you just need to work on making sure you keep your sales up, your expenses and your cost of goods down so that you are always making a profit. That's how e-commerce is profitable. Okay, so I'm sure you're asking, how the heck do I actually do this? The first thing you want to do is increase your sales. This is the volume of sales, but also the average sale that you get per customer. A good tip here is to calculate your average order value and your customer lifetime value. If you can increase these metrics, then you can significantly increase the profitability of your store. Why? Because you're still paying the same amount to acquire each customer, but you're earning more per customer. It's awesome. And I have videos on both these two metrics, how to calculate them and how to improve them, all on my channel here on YouTube. I'll leave a link in the description to these videos. Check them out, they're incredibly valuable. The next thing you want to do is decrease your cost of goods sold. This is the amount that you pay to your suppliers for your products. If you can decrease how much you're paying to your suppliers for your products, then this can have a massive impact on your profits on such a large scale. Okay, so how do you do this? Well, you can negotiate better deals with your suppliers. This is much easier once you have a higher volume of sales coming through your store. Your suppliers will naturally give you better deals on the products that you buy from them. You can also shop around with other suppliers, and now that you have lots of orders coming in, you can negotiate better rates and leverage those orders. The next one is to reduce your expenses. This is something else that's massive for your profitability. For example, if you can reduce your average cost per conversion with your ad spend, that money goes straight into your pocket as profits. So reducing your ad spend without decreasing your sales is a great way to get more profit. To do this, you really need to learn Google, Bing, and Facebook ads on a much deeper level so you can learn how to optimize them the best way so that you don't lose sales, but you can actually reduce the ad spend, decrease the cost per conversion, and get more profits. Because remember, you can't just turn these off and go, hey, I removed that expense, because then your sales might go down. So you need to be smart and optimize these well so at the end of the day, you're making more profits. Something I really recommend doing, guys, is adding in custom columns to your ad accounts. I'm going to leave a link in the description to a video I made that shows you how to put in the profit generated and the average profit per conversion into your Google Ads account. This is amazing because you can see in that ad account how much profit you're actually generating, how much you're making per customer, and then allows you to then optimize this to increase your profits. So there you go, guys. Can e-commerce be profitable? Well, all businesses can be profitable. You just have to make enough sales and reduce your expenses so you have profits. So yes, dropshipping, Amazon, FBA, print on demand, all this sort of stuff, you can make it profitable. If you want to go deeper into this topic of profits, I have another video for e-commerce store owners where I show you and provide a template for calculating the profit and loss for your e-commerce store. I'll leave a link in the description. It comes with a full template you can use, plug in your numbers. I walk you through this whole process, and I think it's mandatory viewing. I think every single e-commerce store owner should actually watch this video. Anyway, guys, that's all for today. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and ask me any questions below in the comments. If you want to learn more about growing your e-commerce store, consider subscribing and check out the other videos on my channel. Apart from that, thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.